What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp. I have not done a video for so long. I've been pretty busy. But now we're coming back. So we're going to do C Sharp now. You know, yeah, I'm kind of going back and forth with different languages, but I think we're going to do more about C Sharp. But anyway, today's going to be a simple one. We're going to do a login authentication. Yeah, we're going to use window forms. It's going to be a simple one. Hopefully this video can help you out. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep looking more videos that we have, and let's start it. So we're going to do windows form. About to start this. So I got, okay, we're going to how we call this, login. Let's call login. And okay, let's go next, and then create. And now we are going to be able, what? Okay, it created. I don't know. Kind of scared me for a minute. What happened over here? Okay, it's creating. Um, it's taking a second. 1 sec. Okay, right here we got my form. Now we're going to need a label, and we'll need that text box. What are text box? Text box right here. And now we're going to copy those two right here, and also we're going to need a button. Where are you, button? Right here. So okay, this one is going to be user ID. Let's change it right here, and text. Where are you, text? Let's put right there, user. uh, User ID. Okay, cool. And then we just gotta go to our text box, and we're going to change the name of our text box. Our this is going to be user box. Let's call it like that. Cool beans. So let's go to the next level. This, oh no, oh no, let's go back. Okay, let's go back over here. I didn't want to do that. But anyway, so let's change that. This is going to be password as a text. Okay, and then the text box is going to be, we're going to call it, what is it, oh come on, where is it? We're going to call this password box. Okay, that's done. Now the button, we're going to call the button login. Okay, login, and the name of the button is going to be just, let's call it button, and then it should be good. Okay, so we got user ID, password, we got our login. So here, so what's going to happen in here is the following. So also we need to create another form. Okay, let's go ahead and create another form. Let's go to our login, and let's go to add, and then let's go to form, and right here we want to call it, how do we call this? Just form 2 should be good. Let's add that. Okay, here we are going to have a label of text box. So this is going to be like, if when you log in, if you had the right username and password, especially the password, it will open up your login page, right? So this is what's going to be. It's kind of simple, but this is the idea. Label, and we're going to have a couple here. Okay, for the first one it's going to be just level, and let's give it some let's give it some let's see, let's give it some fonts. We want this font to be 18. Yeah, want it to be bold. It's going to be 18. Okay, cool. So let's do okay. Second one, let's do the same. Oh yeah, I want this to be, yeah, second one also. Let's just do that. Font is going to be 18. Bold 18. Close that. And the second one we're going to say you have in text we're going to say this is your account, right? uh, this you have, this is how much money you have, $300. Okay, cool beans, just right there. And let's just make a color over here. Let's give it a color for, it's called the background color, right? Let's see what we have. Back color right here. Let's do let's do blue. Yeah, I think I like more the highlight. Yeah, that should be good. Should we just make it white? It's called the four color. So let's just do white. Cool beans. And also next one we're going to do white. Yep. Okay, cool. So we should be good. So right here on the label, that's where we're going to show the username. Okay. There's going to be a message saying welcome. Okay, we have form 2 and form 1, so let's go to our form 1 right here. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be using this, but we gotta keep it for now. So yeah, what we need from here is the button. Let's go back to our design. For form 1, let's click on login, double click. Yeah, that's what we need to work on here. We're going to have a bar. We're going to say passcode, passcode. It's going to be equals to what do we call it? No, actually, let's start. Let's going to have two. We're going to have two variables. Bar. So we're going to say user ID equals to. How do we call the box? User ID. Let's change. Let's look at it right here real quick. And bang, we call it user box. Okay. Just making sure that user box is going to be user box that text, just text. Yeah, we don't need the trim thing. Okay, and then for passcode, what do we call the box in here? I think it was called password box, just to double check. Yeah, password box, that's the way we call it. Let's see, password is right there. Pan. Okay, cool. We have that now, and we're going to have another variable so we can add like keyword for the password. Keyword is going to be, let's put a Spider-Man, capital letter Spider-Man, semicolon. Okay, now here we're going to have an if statement really quick where we're going to say the following: if passcode equals to keyword, right? So what we want to happen is this. We want this box right here, the second form, I mean not box, the second form to open up. If the password is correct, access the account, right? So let's just do, how do we do this? So we're going to do form. We gotta call the object right here, the form2. It's form2, yeah, right there. And then we're going to say, yeah, form2. Let's just give it what it's suggesting. Okay, now form, yeah, dialog. Okay, cool. So that's what we have. Now else, so right here, else. So we can say show a message box. Let's just show a message box. So the show in here, if the password is incorrect, right? So we're going to say password is incorrect. Try again. Cool. So let's try this for now. Should we try or should we keep on working? Okay, right here. Let's just finish it up so we can just speed up the time. So we got this right. So now we gotta go to level one. Let's double click level one. Okay. So in here, what we need is the following for the form two. So right here, we're going to have a property, to a public property. It's going to be a string. This was going to hold the values, okay, for our user name level. Let's call level form. Okay, let's go back over here. In form one, get right here in our form one, we're going to do the following. We're going to say form two that level form, because we had the level form, right? I think it is level form. Is that what we said? Let's go back. Yeah, I think it's this one right here. Yeah, that's what we did. Let's double check. Yeah. Should we capital L? That's why I'm getting confused. So because I did it lowercase, so let's just do L capital. So equals 2. So we need a user box. No, we need not user box. We need user ID. User ID right here. Okay, and that should have it. So no, we need to go back to form 2, and right here we're going to say the following level. So what is the name of our level? I think it's level 1. Yeah, that's what it's, level 1. That's the name, right? Yeah, level 1 for the design. So level 1, level 1, that text equals, we're going to use a string interpolation right here, semicolon, and we're going to say the following: welcome, welcome. Okay, and that's where it's going to be the level form. Whatever username you enter, whatever username you enter, it will display that. Okay. All right. So should we try it? Do we need to do anything else with? form 2 design. Okay, we're looking good. Okay, let's run it and see if this wants to run. Okay, cool. User ID, let's just say man, what do you want to do as user ID? Let's just say jungle boy 57. Okay, password, remember what a password was? It has to be a Spider-Man, right? So let's just do a Spider-Man with lowercase Spider-Man, and then we just go login. Password is incorrect, try again. Okay, let's just do a Spider-Man 56. It's incorrect. Let's just do capital Spider-Man login. Password is incorrect. Okay, it doesn't let us access because that's not a password that's supposed to match. So we just did Spider-Man capital letter, capital S, and then lowercase everything else. So Spider-Man. Oh man, Spider-Man. Okay, login. Boom. We have it. But yeah, it didn't print our. It's supposed to say in level one. Supposed to say our Jungle Boy 57. So let's see what we did wrong. Let's check it out. Let's go back again. Let's see what we have. What we have done wrong here. Level 4 user ID. I have user ID right here. Okay, which that should work. Let's put a breakpoint over here. Let's put uh, Jose as a user ID. Let's say Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Okay. Jose. He says Jose. Yeah. So something is not displaying. It's supposed to display in our form. Something's going on in our form too. Then. So let's see. Level form. I'll just checking something. Uh, let's see. I think it is the name of our text box. Is that was a level one? Let's double check. Let's stop this for a second. Is that how we call it, level one? Yeah, level. Yeah, level one. Level one. So let's go back. Level one, that text. Oh, I think I know what's going on. We gotta go back here in our click here, and we gotta go to our events. I think we need to. That event is not. Let's see. Doesn't click. So we want to load. So we load. Where is it? Load. Oh yeah, right there. Let's just go to load now. Where is it? Huh? All right, guys. This is giving us a little bit of a headache for a second. Oh, load right here. Level one. So that matches. Boom. I think that's what it is. So now we gotta run it. We should be good. I think so. I'm hoping that that's the issue. So Jungle Boy 57, and then we just do a Spider-Man. Oh yeah, let's get rid of that. Breakpoint, continue. Yeah, that was it. So we didn't load it, so that's why. Okay, now we got it. So welcome Django 57. Now, yeah, this is how much money you have. So basically, let's try again the application. So if you go log in, if you say Jose 56 or 57, I mean, and then you say Spider-Man, lowercase, it would tell you log in, password, it's incorrect, try again. If you do the capital S, and then you say Spider-Man, and then you go log in. Yeah, welcome Jose. So, bam, we have it right there. This is how much money you have, $300. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. So, actually, that login password authentication worked. So, we're good. So, hopefully, this video helped you out. So I'm hoping that I can keep doing more videos. My goal was to do it every day, so we'll see how that works. Okay, hopefully this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye.